This video is for task 4 of the Google Sheets tutorial. We're now going to take the number of students that said their favorite colors by count and turn this into a bar chart. We're going to start off by going to Insert, Chart, and you'll see that it does not have any data. I can move my chart around so that I can see everything a little bit better. Over here by chart type, you can see the various different charts that are offered to you. We're just going to stick with the column chart right here. We're not going to do a stacking chart. Our data range is going to be cell B3 to cell B8, and it will start to graph the data for you. The x-axis is going to be what is being measured, and that is actually our colors. So we're going to select cell A3 to A8, and that starts to put the colors at the bottom of the bars. So let's look at the customization menu. Clicking on chart style, this will change the background color and the font. You can also turn it on or off for 3D. This is to however you're liking. The chart and axis titles, these are always important to make sure that you set, and you have to set each one individually. The vertical axis title, which is this one here on the left, is measuring the number of students. You can also change the formatting if you'd like. Let's select the horizontal axis title, and this is the colors. The chart subtitle we're just going to leave alone for now, and the chart title could just be favorite colors. Let's look at the series. In the series, you could apply the data labels to each bars if you'd like. This is your personal preference, but what this does is this adds a number to each bar and what number it's representing. And I'm just going to turn those off for now. The legend we do not need because we're only measuring one thing. This would be helpful as if we had a multi-bar graph. So I'm actually going to just turn this off, and I'm going to select none. On the horizontal axis, I can change the colors if I'd want, but I'm going to, if I select reverse axis order, this will actually flip the graph. So I can select that, and now you'll see purples over here on the left. That is your personal preference, but because in our graph, in our table, we have red starting first, I think our chart should start with red first. Looking at the vertical axis, here you can change the minimum and maximum values. You always want your minimum to be 0. But my maximum here could really be 7 because I don't have anything above 7. So if I change that, and that actually changes it to now it increments by 1 instead of by 2. And the grid lines, I can turn these on or off, but they'll just show the grid lines that are going across here. And I like to have them on for this one. Very good. That looks like a good graph. You will now create a pie chart for the number of students by percentage for least favorite color. Please make sure that you follow the requirements that are listed in the classroom lesson document.